Good morning guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa Santa Monica's Garden guys. May basic lights and sound setup kami ngayon guys. Guys, binaba na yung mga gamit guys. Andun yung mga idol ko guys. Doming si Sean Mark. Dong Sean Mark. Artihas personal ya. Mingsoy. Ito lang yung venue namin guys. Ayan, maliit ito yung entrance guys. Simple yet elegant. Wow. Yes. Ito yung gamit namin guys. Dalawang light stand. Diyan, lagay ni Sean Mark. At saka yung isang light stand sa kabila. Doon yata yun ilagay guys. Tapos yung mga gamit na dala namin guys, dalawang sound logic speaker, isang subwoofer, at saka dalawang moving heads. Okay guys, ito lang yung venue namin guys. Okay guys, mamaya ulit guys pag ano ng mga gamit namin, pag set up. Dumating na yung mga decor guys at saka catering. Mingsoy. Siyang gitawad ano? Stormy, imong gugma yung gitawad.
Emotional, damn it!
Dako ug hayag. Unswa. Guys, lagay namin yung aming SH speakers, sound logic speaker. Yan yung isa. Oh, isa man, di mo kadaog lagi. Okay, pamahaw. Yung isa doon guys. Nag-set up na si DJ Sean Mark sa ano, beam 260. Yung isa guys, tapos na yung mga wiran. Okay na. Okay, so lagay na yung smoke machine. Ay kayo. Ano na, program na sa ano, sa mga ilaw. Ngayon na mi?
Check. E. Check. 2. E. Check.
Guests who have just arrived, you may now take your seat on your most convenient area. However, we will start with the program proper in the shortest time. Thank you. In a minute or two, we'll start with the program proper. For the members of the wedding entourage, you may have your line up on the entrance area. Our coordinators will assist you for your line up. Thank you so much.
Gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Good evening and good early evening, everybody. Welcome to the reception program of Mark and Bea. To give us a good start in tonight's special gathering with very, very special people, I guess we all deserve a big round of Unsang eskwelahan na mo? Don Sergio Osman Akan sa Labangon. Social. Yun ha, in fairness. Nakauyab sa ko din ha, taga Don Sergio. Lagi, kawatan. Ikawat akong heart. Siya rin. I just have a foreign friend here. Hi sir, good evening sir. If you don't mind me asking, from what country are you from?
Norway.
Oh my gosh! Your way, their way, my way, Norway. One of the best countries to live, right, sir? Correct me if I'm wrong, that's the country known for the Little Mermaid statue. But ang layan. Yeah. What's the color of your eyes? Green, oh my gosh, solidly good guess. I had an American boyfriend before. He had a blue eye. Yeah. Blue on the left, white on the right. So, catarata. Okay. 2, 3, go! Celebrate kiss! Kiss dayon! Oh, kalami! Best man asa man ka!
My name is Shara, the maid of honor of our beautiful bride. So I would like to start this speech by saying congratulations to our bride and groom for this wonderful wedding.
So kani, naikwarta, atras siya may sir. Naikwarta, mga way kwarta. So pasabot na ni, duhara ang mga mamayutay. Okay. Kani, murag tag 1.5. Kani, tag 150. 150 US dollars. O kayo mo na human. Here's the deal. Ang pinakalami mo sayaw, palingkuro na ako. Okay? Okay. Hello sir, may gabi sir. Okay. Kumusta ang duty nato ni Mayor sir? Kisa may ipapatay niyo na sir. Baligdar. Pangalan sir. Okay. In fairness. Napon kay girlfriend sir. If you don't mind me asking. Sa imong, kung ikaw makauyab sa ka, unsa pa mong gipangitasaw sa kababayo, babae. Sa mga ginasaw sa kababae. Simple lang. Bahala ko ligo. Okay. Because in the saying, simplicity is beauty. But too much simplicity is poverty. Isa ka sa mga biyahe sa ang pinakanindot mo sayaw palingkuron. Sir, last 1, 2, 3, sayaw go, 1, 2, 3. Go! Kailang lihugaw.
Ano yung kadali pa? Nagkaila-ila. Dali-dali, the first one ko kami. Guwapa. Ini guwapa. Oh, lay malaki sa tahat ano niya eh. Aday. Ano isa? Diin una nagkaila-ila ang pari sa simbahan o ang mga madre. Na masasayo ko eh. Okay ba ito ba nga sa tamparuson ba yan? Itanaw na ito na ba rin nakatunan sa eskwelahan? Kani, what is science? Lahat, science is a small pasaya naglutaw-lutaw sa Pacific Ocean. Future engineer maka, yung pa-premyo nga madawat ka na ako is nakadaog kag 3-night stay in my bedroom. Kaya bata ra ba sa bulod. Thank you so much, Idol. And of course, it's time. The show is about to start. King Kangkong, ang babae ni Kurikong, Miss Hong Kong. Miss Hong Kong is a daughter of her parents. She likes singing, dancing, and shoplifting. She believes in a saying, what is beauty if the body is dirty? Miss Hong Kong, from the land of pirated DVDs, China. Miss China is an advocate of a drug-free country. That is why she is giving drugs for free. Di ba naman? Dahil, nakikiting dahil, napakay-saying. Malang music kamay kaya, Miss DJ believes in the saying, black is beautiful, but too much black is charcoal. Kanyo, ang bagay ko siya rin nga nasod. Please welcome, Jeep, sikat nga mamumuod sa Jeep, Miss Egypt. Miss Egypt is a member of the Akit Bahay Camp. She believes in a saying, 13 years in cheating, now graduating. Okay. Ay, ang unom na. May kayo pagkabahin dahil, no? Mga malata o di malata. Candidate number 4, please welcome ang babaeng walang kamalay-malay. Yan na, di siya ilagay. Miss Malaysia. Miss Malaysia's vital statistics. 32. 22. Libuto. Candidate number 5 from the country of Virginity. U.S. Virgin Islands. Candidate number 5 is a certified virgin. 30 years ago. Miss U.S. Virgin Islands. Please welcome mula sa lupa ng mga mandurugot at mandurugas. Kulang ang bigas. Pilipinas! Miss Philippines is the president of the Habal Habal Association. She believes in the saying, wala ligon nga relasyon, samtang buhing paming mga bigaon! Talikod. Number 2. Kung yung kagwapo, murag traffic ay mga kagwapo. Social. Murag hangin. Di makita. Number 3. Ay, magkabalak ka. Mild pa kayo ng inyo, ha? Good luck! Number 3. Ang imong kagwapo. Murag energy drink. Murag pagkubra. Kim, classmate may ani niya. Bukutan ka si Kim pag high school na mo. Paski ko yung klase mo school na. Kim, imong kagwapa, it's very exotic.
Nga naman?
Igsuon sa etek. Ay, diway na habi ni... Ready na kay Kaday? Ay mong kagwapa na yung mura o ice na.
Why?
Lamig kay Hapax Bongbong din. And of course, kinalasan, social mo niya, ma'am. Dapat ka-level ka. If siya Starbucks, ikaw, your beauty is like the street foods in Cologne. Because you look so yummy. But very dirty. Sir, sayos ka sexy, sir. Wow, sige, sir. Mahal ng entrance, sir. Sige, kamang, sir. Lohod. Kama. Ano ka may hubag-hubag si Milawas? Hubag-hubag si Mabulan. Palit ka mo sa Wonder Oil. Huwag tang ang hubag, huwag tang ang bugan.
Thank you kaayo friends, families, sponsors. Thank you kaayo sa pag-ari. Thank you kaayo ninyo. Dili kompleto ang kaning adlaw kung wala mo diri. So
Wait, kung patangan ng kaligpit. Karoon adlaw. Salamat kayo tanan sa pag-
Another tears of joy. Right? At this point in time,
Thank you. Ang i-promise ni mo, nasubiya ako ng panggaon kung mahal. Hindi daw. Mga na, kung nasa panggaon. So thank you mga for the support ka namin.
napay last surprise di ay, Ma'am. Ako rito nawa ang anak niya. Picture the chair or table, whoever could find a sticker with a picture of our couple will bring home that Gcash prize worth 2,000 pesos. Go! Ilang sa bangko? Yes, only one lucky winner. Only one lucky winner. Yes, na? Sorry. Sa ugma pa rin nakakasal mo, hindi rin nakaroon na din ng water ta na kumansyon ka na. Thank you so much, but more than anything else, thank you so much. I'm Ramel Abelia, your host for tonight, and it's been a pleasure with. I hope nalingaw ang tanan, right? Okay.
So yun guys, tapos na yung event ngayon guys. Salamat sa panonood.